Okay, here's what we did in class. We started this. I needed to remind you to explain um, right here 5 feet per second because they start out, how did you get 5 feet per second? Period 2 explained it that because you start out, the distance was 120 and the total time to get to 0 was 64. You divide it and you got 5 minutes per second. Now, period 1, you explain it different ways. Make sure you explain it correctly. Okay, we were here. Here's what I need you to do. Here is count. Know that these are counting by 20, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Each block is going by 20. Because each block is going by 20, we know this is 20. And therefore this is 40. There's two of them, so that's 40 altogether. And it's going down 40, so it's a negative 40. Now be careful on the x-axis, the vertical, this way. This way is down here. It's counting by 2, 14, 16, 18, 20. It's counting by 2's. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8. So this whole length is 8. So it's going down 40 over 8. Now these numbers mean nothing, so it's important to look at here, 40 feet. That's 40 feet in 8 seconds. So calculate the rate of change from a graph and explain what it means. So let's see the rate of change. The rate of change is negative 40 feet for every 8 seconds. Negative 40 means, so you explain this means down. That's why there's a negative, down 40 feet for every 8 seconds. Okay? Now, how much is it for every minute, every second? Therefore, for every second you divide that, you get negative 5 over 1, 5 feet per second for 1 second. Therefore, down 5 feet, that's why the negative, 5 feet per second, or each second. Each and per means the same. Okay, here, this one here, you do the same. You pick a point. You can pick from here to this point here. Goes up right over there before it turns, so be careful. Look to the side what they're counting by. So 14, 16, so that's 15, 16, 17, 18. So they're counting by 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4. Okay, across this way. Let's look at the bottom what they're counting by. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, they're counting by 1 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 6. So this is 6. So this is up 4. Up 4 over 6. 4 means what? $4. Okay, so the cost is costs $4 for every 6 pieces of fruit. For 6 pieces of fruit. Okay, so your rate, that's what it means. So your ratio is 4 over 6, which means $4 for every 6 pieces of fruit. $4 for every 6 pieces of fruit. Or for how much for 1? So you divide, right? 6 by 4 is 66 cents, 67 cents. Therefore, it's 6666, 0.6 repeating. Therefore, for one piece of fruit, therefore, 67 cents for each fruit, for one fruit. Okay. This one, same thing. Okay. Pick 2 points anywhere you want. Let's say the middle 2. Going up, look at the side though. Make sure you look at the number. It's going up by 1. So this is only 1 even though it shows 2. This is 1, 2. This is only 2 right here. Every 2 is 1. 1, 2. So this is 2 here. So up 1, up 1, rise over run 2, run 2. All right, and then you get one what? $1 to what? 2 tickets for every 2 tickets. So what does this mean? Your ratio means $1 for every 2 tickets. So this means 1 ticket, 50 cents for each ticket, for 1 ticket. Right? 1 divided by 2 is 50 cents. Oh, we explained it here. Determine the rate of change and what it means. The rate of change explain the rate of change is 1 over 2, and it means $1 for every 2 tickets. You write that down. And the unit rate is how much is 1. Unit means 1. The unit rate is 50 cents for 1 ticket, or per ticket. Okay, same thing here. We count. Same thing. You go up 3. That's $3 over 4 for 4 items. So $3 for 4 items. So the rate of change is, and you complete, $3 for every 4 items. Then unit rate, therefore, 3 divided by 4, you get 75, right? Therefore, 75 cents for 1 item, for each item. Each means 1 item. Okay? The back side, determine the rate of change. Oh, there's no dots. Put a dot. It didn't go up any. 0 up over 3. Each one is 1. 1, 2, 3 over 3. You can put anything. Okay, well, put on your calculator 0 divided by 3, you'll get 0. 0 miles for 3 hours. I'll explain that. You went 0 miles for 3 hours. You may be watching a movie for 3 hours. Okay? You went nowhere for 3 miles. 3 hours. You may be watching a movie, having dinner, having a party, who knows? But you went nowhere because it's 0 miles. Okay, how about this one? This is interesting. Put 2 dots anywhere you want. You make it anything you want. Oh, the unit rate, still, you divide it, you get 0 over 1. You go nowhere in 1 hour. Means same thing, okay? Hopefully that makes sense to you. If not, it's okay. Okay, so then you went up 2 over nothing. Up 2 miles in 0 hours. That's not possible. Put that in your calculator, watch. I'll show you in a calculator. Where's my calculator? Right here. Clear it. 0 divided by 2 divided by 0. Error. Error means undefined, okay? In math, it means undefined. If you get an error, because 0 can't divide into 2, look. Okay, it's not possible. There's 0 times nothing to make 2, so we call this undefined. That means someone made a mistake. It's not possible. It's not possible if you go 2 miles in 0 hours. Nothing's happening. Can't go further and further. See how you keep going further and further and further? So 0 miles. So this is called undefined, all right? That was thrown in there. This one here, you put dots. Oh, did I skip a problem up on top somewhere? Anyways. All right, let's see. We put a dot wherever you want. Obviously, 0, 0 is always good. And 2, 12, 3, 18 is good. 4, oh, look at that. Those are good ones, actually. Look. You can put as many dots you like. Let's separate them, though. Just make it look not so cluttered. Okay, you choose any 2 dots. I'll choose far ones. Y'all get the same answer as you. I'll choose this one. I'm going to count a lot, okay? To this one up here. So I'm going to go up. Up how many? They're counting by 3s. Oh. Okay, it's counting by 3s. 6, 9, yep, counting by 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 3 is 24. Up 24 and over, let's see, they're counting by 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. So they're counting by 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 24 over 4. 24 what? Feet. 4 what? 4 minutes. Feet, minutes. Okay, so that's what it means. If you reduce this, okay, your rate of change will all be different depending on the things. But if you reduce it, your unit rate, all of you will have the same unit rate of 6 over 1. Because 4 into 24 is 6 over 1. 6 feet for every 1 minute. So whatever it is going 6 feet for every 1 minute. No, that's low. Okay. So, interpret what it means. 24 feet for every 4 minutes. So some of you may have, like, if you choose 2, a different number, you can have like 18 feet every 3 minutes, 12 feet every 2 minutes, but it all reduces to basically 6 feet every 1 minute. And therefore, 6 feet every minute. Okay, and this one. And this one we did in class in the other class. I hope you guys know how to do this. This is one sample of the last one. Okay, this one here, again, you can choose any points you want. Oh, let's choose right here. That is, what is it counting by? Threes. Yeah, threes. Oh, let's just choose.
Attention all students.
Not so
the
long.
Student store will not be open today. Again, the student store will not be open today. It will open again on Monday. Thank you.
Okay, so we don't count so far. We just choose these two dots right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each one represents 3, so 3, 6, 9, 12. That's 12. Over on the side, it's going by ones. Over 1. Ah, look, 12 feet. Is it feet? Meters. 12 meters. Look, I look for here for meters. 12 meters for every 1, second. Hey, we got unit rate and ratio. The unit rate and ratio is 12 meters for every 1 second. So you write that down. Any question? And here is the other part. You can choose any numbers. You guys know how to do this, right? And explain. Make sure it's explain. Infinite solution, y. Make sure you use the term coefficient and constant, okay, to help you out. Okay, and this is your homework. You don't have to do the workbook.